Covering fire! Keep firing!
The commander should be hiding inside this HQ bunker. No use in us all barging in. Luger, you go ahead. We'll guard the perimeter so they can't escape.
The uplink's still a long way off. We're gonna be too late.
Hacker, do we know when the Earth fleet is arriving?
I don't claim to.
Way you act is like you know my mother's bra size.
Well, I'm guessing. La.
Look here, the missile base. Maybe we could hitch a ride Gast.
Feasibility?
Won't work. Now, those bases are too well dug in. We have to find another.
Really? Last time we listened to this guy, we got Helmet Man ripping us a new asshole.
We don't have any choice. We're running out of time. Gotta hit the base and pick up any transportation we can find.
We're approaching the missile base, sir!
Very good.
You're about to they've been caught. That Lente and his armies have no need to find them because they're already dead. That my actions instigated their downfall and that Scholar Visari very pleased with me.
Blown up the bridge over the 32nd River and cut off the 11th Company from supplies. The 10th Company are running to communications. We fear they may be
The 10th Company may be what?
maybe lost, sir.
Is not what I wanted to hear. What I wanted to hear at all. Not at all.